Hey everyone, welcome to our preview for Sunday's auction. The auction will start at 8 p.m. Eastern Time right here on our channel, and let's get going and we'll show you what we have available. This will be the email that we'll be corresponding with. Painting number 1 is a 14 by 14 Boilermaker. This was done on January 21st, 2019 on our live. That's the back, and this is the front. Starting bid on this will be $15. Painting number 2 is a 14 by 14 6 mini flip cups. Video number 341. Starting bid will be $20. That is painting number 2. Painting number 3 is a 12 by 12 ring pour on a purple metallic background. This was done on a live on 3/18/19. Starting bid on this one is $15. Painting number 4 is a reverse swipe. Video number 345. This is a 9 by 12. Starting bid on this one, $15. Auction painting number 5. This is a Boilermaker done by Alan. YouTube Live, 3/11/19. It's very pretty with the metallics. Starting bid on this one will be $15. Painting number 6, also done by Alan, is a 12 by 12. This was done with a ice cube tray. I believe it had 4 compartments on his channel. So check out Alan Welch on YouTube. Starting bid on this one is $15. It's very pretty. Painting number 7 is a 16-inch hex. This was a cloud experiment. This one was done with silicone. There is some flash in here too that makes it very shiny. Video number, I believe, 349. Starting bid on this one, $20. Heartbeat there. This is part 2 of that video, also 349. This was done without silicone. Getting a heartbeat. Maybe it's this that it doesn't like. Sorry about that. It's a 14-inch triangle. Starting bid on this one is $20. It's pretty cool. No silicone, but look at those cells. Painting number 9 is a 12 by 16. This was a strainer pour done by myself. Video number 339. Starting bid on this beauty is $25. All our paintings are varnished. Painting number 10 is a 14 by 18 dirty pour, done on the live of 3/11/19. It's really heart beating. Starting bid on this, 20 bucks. Painting number 11. She's a pretty one. Lots of metallics in this one. Copper and gold. This was a 11 by 14 traveling ring. This is video number 300. Starting bid, $20. Painting number 12 is a 12-inch round. This is a Boilermaker done on the live of February 4th, 2019. It's pretty cool. Starting bid is $20. Painting number 13 is 11 by 14 oval. Video 317. This is also a Boilermaker with some metallics and some color shift and some iridescent. It's very pretty. Starting bid, $20. Painting number 14 was done by Alan. This is a 12 by 12. He used a scrambled egg shaker bottom to separate paints. This was done on the live of 3/25/19. Starting bid on this one, $15. Painting number 15 is an 8 by 16. This was a traveling ring, video 346. Lots of metallic in there. On an 8 by 16 canvas. It's beautiful. Starting bid, $15. Painting number 16. This is How to Save a Pour, video 307. I did embellish this one a little bit. Nate would be so proud of me. Starting bid, $20. Painting number 17 is a Boilermaker on a 12 by 12 canvas. Video number 342, if you want to check that out. Starting bid, $20. Painting number 18 is a 16-inch round. This was flip cups and also ribbon, done on our live of 3/25/19. I used the flash on that ribbon. It's so pretty. There's the back. Everything is signed and dated. Starting bid on this one, $25. Painting number 19, done by Alan, is a 14 by 14. 3 strainers on this one. Done on the live of 3/25/19. Starting bid, $15. Paintings number 20. This is a set. These are dipped 8-inch round florals. These were done on the live of April 1st. Starting bid for both paintings, $25. Painting number 21, done by Alan, is a 12 by 16. This was a steamer tray. I love the colors in this one. Also love the center on this one. This was done on the live of 3/18. Oops, I had it backwards. This is a linen canvas. Starting bid on this one, $15. Painting number 22. It's going to go this way. This is a 10 by 20 dustpan pourer. Video 347. Lots of color shift in there. Beautiful cells. There's the back. Starting bid on this one, $25. Painting number 23 is a 14 by 18 dirty pour. Beautiful neutral colors. Tons of copper and gold in here. Turquoise. Absolutely beautiful, stunning painting. Video number 246. Starting bid, $25. See if I can get you, oops, just a little close. You can see some of that gorgeous gold here. It's a very beautiful painting. Painting number 24 is also a 14 by 18 dirty pour. Video 286. Lots of gold in this one as well. There's your back. Starting bid, $25. So now I'm painting number 25. This one is resin coated. This is a 12 by 16 flip and drag where I do the split. It does have a couple of fuzzies in it, but you don't notice them when it's hanging, just when you hit the glare. So I went ahead and started this one at $40. So it's a good price. Video number 284. So you can check out that video and watch the magic. It's a very beautiful painting. And it's already ready to hang. Here's a big one, 12 by 24. This was done with flip cups on the live of 3/18/19. Starting bid is $20. It's a 12 by 24. Okay. Number 27, done by Alan. This is Alan's flip and drag. It is a 10 by 20. Done on the live of 3/18/19. Gorgeous painting on a linen canvas. Starting bid on this one, $20. Painting number 28, done by myself. This is a 10 by 20 flip and drag with just Payne's Gray. One color. This was done on the live of April 1st, 2019. Lots of beautiful cell action. Lots of movement in this painting. There's the back. It's a linen canvas. Starting bid, $25. We have two sets of coasters, number 28, or I'm sorry, 29. This is a set of 4 coasters These are resin coated with stone coat countertop epoxy. These are heat resistant to 475. They do have the cork backs, and I will sign these. Starting bid on those beautiful coasters, $10. Number 30 is also a set of coasters. Cork back. Starting bid on this set here is also $10. Painting number 31 is a bottle bottom. It's a 14 by 14 video 344. Gorgeous painting. Lots of metallics in this one. This is also done on a level 2 canvas. They're a little heavier than the standard canvas. Starting bid on this one is $25. Painting number 32 is a 14 by 14 injection. Video number 350, if you want to go check that out. This is also a level 2 canvas. There's a lot of color flash in this one as well. Starting bid on this one, $20. So that is our preview, guys. We will be here Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Buyer pays shipping, as always. And this will be our email address for giving me your mailing addresses so I can quote you the shipping. And I will send you an invoice after I have your mailing address. It does take a day for us to get everything boxed, so everything should be able to go out Tuesday if all the payments are made. So join us Sunday night at 8 p.m. right here on the channel, and we will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye now.